Hi guys, it's Annette from Bellisaris Breads and Sauces, and today I have Matt Ross from One T Mixcraft, and he owns a beer bread company, and we are going to cook together. But first, I just wanted to talk a little bit about his background, his company, the different products that he has. We were both at Ohio Brewery. Matt was sampling his breads, and we were sampling our new spreads and sauces. So we talked then about doing something together, and here we are 4 years later. So we both are Ohio companies.
Hi, I'm Matt Ross. I'm the owner of One T Mixcraft. Like Annette said, I got started, it'll be 5 years this summer. So I've been doing this a little while. So when my son was born, I was making beer breads for dinner 2 or 3 times a week. And then I kind of started thinking, well, maybe I'll pack up a handful of these things, just mix all the dry ingredients. One day a friend came over for dinner and pulled this thing out and threw a beer in it and had a loaf of bread. And he kind of looks at me and goes, "Where'd you get that?" I made it up. I said, "Can I buy one of those from you?" I kind of thought, hey, maybe I can do something with this.
Right. So let's talk about the different flavors that you have.
Sure. So I've got 11 different flavors now.
Wow, I don't think I knew that.
Yeah.
Wow, that's great.
Up to 11. I've got the classic beer bread mix, which you can add whatever your favorite beer is to it, and it's going to make a delicious loaf of bread. I like American pale ales.
Okay.
So I've got savory mixes, I've got my zesty jalapeno.
And then lemon.
Yep.
That's my favorite by far. Oh my gosh, like every Easter I make it, and then it's amazing. I even make French toast out of it, so. So we are doing 2 different recipes today. The first one is a pumpkin stuffed French toast, which is stuffed with our fig and mascarpone, and then we're using the pumpkin bread.
So it's super easy to make up one of my mixes. All you do is combine everything that's in the bag with your favorite beer or cider, mix it up in a bowl, scrape it into a oiled spray bread pan, top it with a little bit of melted butter or some olive oil if you like, and bake it off at 375 for 45 to 50 minutes.
And then the other one of my favorite recipes with our balsamic, and it's actually one of our original recipes. We're going to do the everything bread, and we're going to make a grilled cheese with brie, a little bit of butter on the bread, and everything bagel bread. This is our balsamic shallot and black garlic spread. It's got an earthy bit of flavor because of the black garlic, but it pairs really well with brie.
And I think that's going to go really well with the everything bagel bread.
Absolutely.
Because that's got some garlic in there, that's got some onion in there.
Thank you for coming, and thank you for sharing all your great recipes with us. And where can we grab those?
Well, the easiest place is at OneTMixcraft.com. That lists all my flavors, that lists any promotions that are going on, and that'll tell you any of the establishments where you can buy it.
As for Bellisaris, Bellisaris.com, as well as probably over 200 recipes on our site and promos as well. So have a great day. Thanks guys for coming.
Thank you.